Assalamu alaikum and hello everybody. The summer season is here, the sun is out and barbecue season is upon us. So I am going to share a Nando style peri chicken recipe with you. This recipe is equally good for your barbecues as well as your home cooking. I have taken a whole chicken which I have spatchcocked, which is basically cut from the backside, taken the neck piece out and broken your breastbone as they call it, and then I have just sprinkled it with some ground black pepper, some sea salt, you can use normal salt, and some citric acid or also known as lemon salt. Give it a good massage and just let it sit for good 30 minutes or so. You can by all means leave it overnight if you like, but I am just going to leave it for 30 minutes, and in the meantime I am going to get the marinade ready. So for the marinade, what I have taken is, this is the iconic peri marinade, and it is as close as you can get. Trust me, it is very close to the original one. I've taken one lemon with a zest, with peppers. These are basically jalapeno and the bird's eye chili, with some garlic and onion, and I've got some paprika and some vinegar. This is plain white synthetic vinegar that I'm using. I'm not using any malt vinegar. I do not want any other kind of like aromat coming through. So I'm just going to bung everything into a blender. You can use a grinder, a coarse grinder, or pestle mortar, whatever you like. Now this is cayenne pepper and sweet paprika. Next goes the garlic granules, also known as garlic powder, and this is sea salt. Again, you can use normal salt. And in the end, I will be using the citric acid, again about a teaspoon. This will help it tenderize and make it more juicy. And for giving color, I'm just using normal tomato puree or tomato paste, and some vinegar and some olive oil to help it grind really well. We are going to make it a double I just forgot to mention, I am also adding some mango pulp. I have frozen it, so it's about 2 to 3 tablespoons, and then we're just going to grind it. And this marinade is enough for 2 medium-sized chicken, so I'm going to save half of it for later use whenever you like it, and it keeps really well in the fridge for about 1 month. Well, I doubt it will stay for 1 month in the fridge. And then I'm just going to use the rest of the marinade, which was in the jug, on to our chicken, and I'm going to give it a good massage. But before that, I'm going to add some thyme. This is dry thyme that I'm using. I couldn't find the fresh one, but you can use the fresh thyme as well. Give it a good massage really nicely in every crevice, nook and corner. Then in a very hot griddle pan, I am going to sear it from both sides. As you can see, the steam is coming out, so basically it is really hot, proper sizzling hot. And once it's seared on both sides for, I would say 7 to 10 minutes, I'm going to transfer this chicken back again into that leftover marinade which was in the pan, the marinating pan. Let it sit for about 20 minutes and then transfer it back to the griddle pan. Make sure you've got an oven-proof griddle pan because it will help it going in the oven. Otherwise, transfer it into a tray. So I have baked it for about good 20-25 minutes until the juices run clear, and look at that, how gorgeous and beautiful it has come out. It is absolutely delicious, mouth-watering, lips-packing. Serve with coleslaw or hummus, whatever you like. Till the next video, it's bye from me now. Do like and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.